Welcome to Top Num Up. Today we're counting down the top 15 dog breeds with the best sense of smell. These breeds were born to sniff, from crime-solving detectives to expert hunters. Let's dive into the canine world's super noses. 15. Otterhound. A rare breed with a powerful nose used to track scent over land and water. 14. Weimaraner, known for stamina and scenting ability, often used in game tracking. 13. Cairn Terrier. Originally used to sniff out vermin in stone piles, alert and persistent. 12. Dachshund. Despite their size, their scenting skills were bred for underground tracking. 11. Pointer. These hunting dogs have an instinctive drive to detect and freeze on scent targets. 10. Golden Retriever. Gentle and eager to please. Also great at finding and retrieving by scent. 9. English Foxhound, traditionally used in packs to follow scent trails across long hunts. 8. Springer Spaniel. Highly trainable and energetic with a sharp nose, often used for detection work. 7. Coonhound, specifically bred to trail raccoons by scent, persistent and effective. 6. Belgian Malinois, fast, focused, and exceptional at scent work, often seen in military operations. 5. Labrador Retriever, commonly trained for scent detection, from narcotics to medical alerts. 4. German Shepherd, versatile and sharp-nosed, used in police and military canine units. 3. Beagle, small but mighty sniffers, used in airports and by customs worldwide. 2. Basset Hound, low to the ground and high in scent power. They were bred to hunt with their nose. 1. Bloodhound. The unmatched king of scent detection can track smells days old over long distances. With noses this powerful, it's no wonder these dogs are trusted for everything from search and rescue to detecting disease. Which one impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more amazing animal rankings.